Big day today. Boys are here, preparing the window, going in, getting the heights right. Got a smidgen to work with, but they'll make it work because I got every faith in them. So there's your window into that opening. It's going to be fantastic. Looking at this beautiful sunshine, and that's where it's going to go in. Our big sliding door arrives today, so we'll have this fella here changed as well by the end of today's proceedings. So looking forward to it. And Gold Coast has turned it on for us today too. Beautiful weather. Alright, today I'm going to be tackling this bad boy here. It's connected to the roof. Fantastic sort of setup. I've got a bit of praying to do here in the temple. But this has got to go. It's just creating a shadow and making this bedroom here dark. So let's say goodbye to this bad fella. So the window has gone in, looking great. Boys are just doing some final adjustments now, but it's really made a difference to this area. Very, very impressed, very impressed. These guys know what they're doing and they've done a great job. Boys are happy, they've done a great job here. Old window opens. Dallas is pouring beers inside, serving them out the window. Excellent job. Brilliant, brilliant job. Doors come out. Jamie's making noise. Dallas had his go at it. Made everyone deaf. Doors, we had a few dramas with the door. I'm sure the boys will make it work. It's going to create a great opening here. A lot of light coming into the house. Fantastic. Jamie's having to cut away the wall here. Dallas trying to take away that window. The new door is 2 mil longer than the old one. Jamie's just tacking it in. Big door. There's Dallas testing the opening and it works well. A lot more light than before coming in. This is fantastic. I'm really pleased. I'll stand back a little bit. Give you a better look. And yeah, that's fantastic. That's great. Make sure there's no glass here, bang, as I walk through. Nice door in. Gives the house a magnificent look out here, nice and modern looking. Yeah, loving it. Loving it, boys are doing a great job.